Reject pass by number 11. Number 6, removing the ball. Number 6, gonna go against number 6. Who's fouling? Number 11, Lumina. No good. Same ball. 8-second shot. Number 11, number 1. Who's fouling? Number 1. Number 9, Ford, one up, black, and number 10. Number 9, got number 9. What a pass, big pass, number 1, number 1, and number 6. No, good. Who's fouling? Number 4. First person foul, second team foul. Number 6. Number 6, what a shot by number 6. No good. Who's fouling? Number 4, you get the ball. Number 4, take the beginning number 4. Number 4, good defense by number 6. Beginning number 6. 10 seconds. Number 8. Who's got it? Number 5. Who's got number 5? First person foul, warning for penalty.
Papatigya.
First, number 6, dribbling the ball. Number 10. Number 10. Tumingin dito si number 10. Binigay sa corner. Wala naging pass. Number 6.
Gagi.
Number 6, ipan pa, or pass. Easy 2 points by number 9. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Number 6, nagkakaroon ng play. Binigay sa corner by number 1 or 2, no good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, nagkamadali. Number 12, one foul, one pass for by number 10, one black. Number 12, foul. Who's fouling? Number 12. First personal foul, third. Number 12, binigay again number 6. Number 6. Ang gagawin number 6, naghahanap ng play si number 6. Number 6. Number 6 na nasa corner. And number 12, Rodrigo Lee. Number 6. Nagpapalit si number 6. Ayan na, nagpapalit ko na. We're pass. May number 5. Oh, good. Rebound. Number 4. Number 4, nagpapalit. Number 4. Pow! Who's got it? Number 9. Number 12, shooting the ball. Binigay number 6. Number 6. Pow! Who's got it?
Okay na yan.
Number 12. Second person foul. Warning for penalty. Number 6. Nagano mo na. Number 6. Oraski by number 10. Number 10. Bakit ka na? Kinasaya ng 12. No. Di ba number 12 again? Di ba number 10? Number 4. White ball. Di ba number 10? Wala buka ni number 10. Wala pass, big pass kay number 6. Number 6 yung mamadali. Wala pass. Wala steam. Wala kaya kay number 10. Number 10. Wala pass kay number 6. Number 6. Tapos natin kay number 11. Number 6. Offensive foul. Number 6. Last 20 seconds. Number 11. Because I number 11. Number 11. No. Number 6. Number 6. Number 8. Last 10 seconds. Elvira. Easy
Nice
points. 5 seconds. Number 6, top of the day. And number 10. Number 10, one back, or pass. No good. Number 8 again. No good. Save ball. 7. Ball again, no good. You want me number 1. You got something number 2. Number 2. We're again number 6. What a pass. No good. Number 8. Number 8, Mira. No good. Give up my number 4. Number 1. Number 1. Getting some order play number 6. We're gonna pass by number 1 again. Easy 2 points. Number 9. Remain the ball. Number 9. Getting some order by number 10. Number 10. Pumulang na. No good. Number 1. Getting number 6. Number 6. We're going number 6. Pow! It's number 8.